Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to another, this is going to be a quick tips video, but I got a couple of MEI validators in. These are green labels for repair, and the one has a little bit of an unusual problem that you don't run into every day, and it happens on all brands of validators, not just MEIs. So here's the problem. Okay. I always ask people to keep the boxes, they don't need to send them in, we have plenty of boxes to test these with. So here's the problem, okay? It only goes up that far, and you know why? The stacker, and I don't know if you can tell, the stacker is out and it didn't go to the home position, and it's out about, oh, I don't know, 3/4 of an inch. So you can't get the box off. What do you do when this happens? Well, there's a couple things you can do. I'm going to show you the end case scenario if in fact you can't power it on, power it off, get the box back in, and but don't do it by the power cord, because you will risk sparking it and possibly hurting your control board on your vending machine, or the validator itself. So here's what we're going to do, guys. I'm going to zoom in here. We're going to take it a little bit apart, as much as we can. We're going to take the bezel off. Front cover. This is a nice little tool, guys. This little Ryobi, I think it's, you might be able to read better than me. I think it's 4 volts. Anyways, so we get down this far. It doesn't help us yet. Take off this cover. Now we remove or loosen the board. This unit was missing the middle screw, so we know it's been out of there. Do this very carefully. The boards are fragile. What we're going to do here now, guys, is we're going to take this board out. Okay? And the reason we're doing that is so we can get to these wires here. Okay, the stacker wire is the black and white one. This is your transport wire. So let's do this. I have my test jig set up, which is a 12-volt system. And what I want to do now is I want to advance the stacker motor back to a position where I can get it out. I can see through here where my finger is kind of what's going on, so I'm pretty sure this is at the upmost position, and once again we can get it out. So generally this means you've got a sensor issue that's bad. The stacker itself is okay. I'm going to show you here that it runs fine, and you need to do that in order to get the mainframe system out, which I'll show you, because even if you were to get the box off, I've actually seen some people break the boxes, which is not what we want to see happen. I'll show you where the clearance is a problem, okay, is if you have that box pardon me, if you have the stacker plate in the down position, you can't get it out of the assembly. So anyways, guys, as I come across with things that have sort of unusual problems, I'll make these short videos, and hopefully they will help a few you. And once again, we're always looking for ideas on videos that we can do here in our small shop. Unfortunately, we can't really do any vending machine, you know, how to price them or how to, you know, install LED lighting, something like that, because this is our changer shop and CoinMech and Validator shop, and we don't have the provisions of the room for the big stuff like we do up in Northern California. So anyways, guys, MEI Validators, they are the best. We carry all numbers. Occasionally we're out of a couple, especially during COVID and all those ships sitting offshore. Haven't been able to get some of the newer ones. So anyways, guys, whatever your needs may be, leave me a comment. I'll put my web address down there, and you can access me through there. So guys, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, help out a small channel. We want to keep these videos free for as long as we can, and subscribing and clicking that bell does just that. Thank you. We're out.